wondered how AI creates art, music, or entire business plans from just a sentence? That magic is generative AI, and prompt engineering is the key to unlocking its full power. What is generative AI? Generative AI is a technology that lets computers create completely new text, images, code, and more. Leading tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Google Gemini are powered by large language models, LLMs, and diffusion models. These models learn from massive datasets, so they can generate content that looks and sounds like a human made it. What is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is how you teach AI exactly what you want. It's the art and science of writing instructions, prompts, to guide AI and get precise creative results. Great prompts mean better outputs, whether it's marketing copy, code, art, or ideas. Real uses and career impact. Businesses use prompt engineering to automate workflow, write emails, create ads, design graphics, and even write code. Creators leverage generative AI tools to write books, design logos, produce music, and generate viral content. Mastering prompt engineering is now one of the most valuable tech skills for 2025, with courses offered everywhere from Coursera to deeplearning.ai and Google Cloud. Pro prompt tips. Be clear and specific. Tell the AI what you want, e.g., write a catchy slogan for a fintech app. Give context and examples. Guide the AI with details, style, or structure. Test and iterate. Try different prompts, see what happens, and improve. Closing and call to action. Want to create, automate, and innovate with AI? Start learning prompt engineering now. Like, subscribe, and share this video for more AI secrets and hands-on tips.